Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make Facebook avatar your permanent profile picture. First, open Facebook and go to your profile. Click on Edit Profile. After clicking on Edit Profile, you'll find Avatar option. Create avatar by choosing skin tone, hairstyle, hair color, face shape, outfit, and save it. After your avatar is saved, go back to your profile again and click on Edit Profile and turn on the Show on Profile Avatar option. And that's how you make Facebook avatar your permanent profile picture. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel.